Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my kidney macaroni. It's straightforward. Kidney macaroni, I just added some vegetables into it, fried kidney, and my macaroni. So I'll be showing you I'll be explaining how I made it in this video. The first thing I did was to blend my pepper, onion, and tomato. Then I placed that aside. I boiled my pasta in another pot. I added oil and salt. I don't know what happened to the part where I was adding salt. I think I mistakenly deleted it or something. Anyways, I added salt, I brought it to a boil and added my pasta. When it was soft to my liking, when you're boiling your pasta, please don't boil it too much, just parboil it. So after boiling it, I just placed that aside, added a little bit of cold water on it and just covered it. Then another pan, I poured in oil and onions, fried that a little bit, and added in my tomato paste. Then reduced the oil because I noticed it was too much. I reduced it and I fried this. You want to really fry your tomato paste so you don't get that stingy taste when eating it. You want to really fry, so you take that out from it. Anyways, I poured in the pepper mixture you saw me boiling earlier. You saw me blending earlier, sorry. So I poured that into it, allowed the water to dry. Then I poured in my carrot. The carrot is the first thing I poured into this pepper because I like it. I don't like it when my carrot is too strong. I don't like when I'm eating and my carrot is too strong. So I poured in my carrot, allowed it to fry a little bit. Then added my seasoning and my salt. Fried that again. I know I like it. I like a lot of frying, I know. Anyways, so I poured in my fried kidney. I did this off camera. I boiled and fried my kidney off camera. I just seasoned it with salt and seasoning. Then I poured in my kidney, my fried kidney. Fried that a little bit and added in my chopped bell peppers, yellow, green, and red. This is just to give it this very beautiful color, to make your meal look really colorful and attractive. So you fry that again and pour in your parboiled macaroni. So you just stir fry it at this point. You make sure you really stir it so that all the seasoning and everything goes into the macaroni, so you don't taste plain, boring macaroni. So you just stir fry this. You stir fry this for a little while, maybe about 2 or 3 minutes, and this is optional if you don't want to add in spring onions. I like the taste of spring onions. So I just sprinkled that on it, and steady again, and it was ready. It was good as usual, like us, we know they carry last. So it's good. So it's very nice. It's actually very nice. One of my best dishes, macaroni. This was very good. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, please. Leave your comment, share, like this video, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.